Hey, my friend, I hope you enjoy this class because this class is very, very useful for you in your future, not only because you work with the boat, in your life, to solve problems in your home. I don't know if you live in condos that they use on-demand pumps for the pressure of the fresh water, or if you live in a place like my home, you need to suction the water from the ground, pass the water for a filtration system, and after that you can drink that water, no? This theory is very important. It's very useful. Okay, this is a hydraulic circuit. In other words, you have this. You need a motor, and the motor is connected with the pump, and the pump suction from the reservoir, and after that I have this. I have a box with 3 compartments. Okay, in the first compartment I receive the fluid coming from the pump. In the second compartment the fluid returns into the reservoir, into the tank. And here the fluid is coming up, and the fluid is going here, and the fluid return here, and here I have fluid. Everybody follow me? That's the return. And probably this pump can be moved by hand. The forklift. The forklift have in each body of valves with the handle 3 positions: neutral, up, neutral, down. Yeah? How many body of valves have this forklift? 3. One for up and down, other for pam pam, and other for pim pim. 3 body of valves with handle. Nice, no? All right. And after that, I have the load. You can connect the load, an actuator. An actuator like this, for example. And here is here. Everybody follow me? And here is here. Look, guys. What happened in that position in that moment? Is neutral. It's neutral. It's neutral because the fluid enters here and goes here. And the actuator is moving? The cylinder is moving? No. What happened if I put this one here with the handle? I move that box here. The fluid enters here, and the cylinder is moving like this. And here is the return. If I put that box here, the fluid enter here, and this one is return. You understand, guys? Nice, no? What type of cylinder is this? Double port, 1 port, 2 port, and single shaft. Double port, single shaft. This is a typical hydraulic circuit.